Hey guys, welcome to Social Net. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your phone number and your Amazon account. Amazon makes changing your mobile phone number associated with your Amazon account. So if you ever run into issues changing your Amazon phone number or any information associated with your Amazon account. Amazon is the world's largest online retailer in the world. So it should come as no surprise how easy Amazon customers to quickly and easily change the phone number associated with the Amazon account as well as other Amazon account related information. While there is no requirement to have a phone number associated with the Amazon account, as it can be used in addition to email address associated with the Amazon account to reset your Amazon password should you forget it. Now, in order to change your Amazon phone number, you need to go to any browser on your mobile device first, then tap on it to open. Then go to the search bar and search for Amazon.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, you go to the top of your account and tap onto the profile icon. Scroll down a little further and on your account section, you can see the See All option available here. Tap on it. Once you land onto your account page, go to the account settings and tap onto the login and security option. Now, in order to change the mobile number on your Amazon account, you need to go to the edit button and tap on it. Now, when you are taken to the change mobile phone number page, enter the mobile number associated with your Amazon account. Once you have entered your phone number, go to the box right next to it and tap on it to select your country or region code. After you finish enrolling your phone number, go and tap on continue. Then you'll get a verification required pop-up. Go to OK button and tap on it. Now you will receive the OTP. Now enter the 6-digit code you were texted in the space provided on the verify mobile number page. After you enter the OTP, go to the verify button and tap on it in order to verify your mobile number. And once you land onto an interface like this, on this confirm new number page, you can see your old phone number and your new Amazon number. In order to change your number and save the changes, you need to type in the password in the box below. And once you have successfully changed your Amazon phone number, you will be taken back to your account page. A verification email will be sent to the email address associated with the Amazon account alerting you that your mobile phone information has been updated. This was the easiest way to change your phone number and your Amazon account. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.